Hello, this is Poonam Shukla. You are in for CA028, and this is my fourth system software and compiler lab. And in this program, this experiment is based on we have to do token separation by using Lex programming. So here we are using Lex program. First, we'll convert this Lex program into CC by giving into Lex compiler into and convert into C language, and then from there C language we give to C language compiler, and then we'll generate the output. And so our Lex program contains three parts. First, the declaration, what defines all the variables and define the variable values, and or the regular expression what we're gonna use here in the rules. So here rules means rules give what type of output we want by giving input, and these are the auxiliaries like we have to use YYLX so that we can uh, um, use it to count the main function uh, and then we are using YY wrap so that we can wrap with the input. So if inputs are exhausted, so it will give 1 0, or if it's return 1, or if it's not done then it will return 0. And this here, so here we are doing token separation. So for token separation we are counting it also how many tokens we have, and then that's why we are using here in the declaration and count 0. And then these are the regular definitions for letter, and this is operator, this is punctuation, and this is for digits. And then here are we are using these uh, regular definitions, like if for keyword means if it belongs to string, long, double, bool, and int and all. So it will show like this: int print keyword, if that keyword, and then that uh, keyword, when whatever keyword is in that input, and then token number, and then it filtering how many times means at what position it's coming. So it will put, then it will print it, and then the YY text, that position number means YY text will it will if it's strings in match, then it will uh, match in this, then it will uh, print it. And this is for increasing the count. So number of means how many times it's coming, so it will increase the count according to it. So this is for operator, and this is for digit, this for punctuation we are directly using, and this is for identifier. So identifier could be any, means it starts with uh, letter, it should starts with letter. Identifier cannot start with a digit. So that's why. And then next, how many number or letter can come. So that's why its regular definition is like this. And then in main function we have given YYLX so that it can call the main function again and see how many inputs we have till it get exhausted by, so that we have using YYLX, and then it will print the count. So I'm gonna save it now. Mm, so for converting into lex, so we'll first write file name lex, and then cc lex dot yy dot c, and then a not out. So if we are compiling the C language, and then here I am entering any expression what I want, like equal to 10. So here you can see it's showing identifier, then int the value of that keyword, and then number of means at which position, number 2 3 4. So number of token we have in my file is 5. So this was my fourth lab experiment. Thank you.